The roof is gone, the numbers are up, and Brabus just rolled its wildest creation yet into the Monterey sun. Unveiled on August 14 at the Quail, the Brabus Bodo Cabriolet is the open-top counterpart to the already outrageous Bodo Hyper GT Coupe, and it arrives as a 1,000 horsepower carbon-bodied statement piece. This is coach building turned up to 11, an Aston Martin Vanquish Volante chassis and cabin architecture wearing a completely new carbon fiber body, a heavily reworked V12, a 7-figure euro price tag, and a production cap in double digits shared with the fixed-roof car. Under that long carbon fiber hood sits Aston Martin's twin-turbo 5.2-liter V12 mounted in a front mid position, reworked by Brabus with new hardware and calibration to deliver 1,000 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. Brabus pairs it with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a limited-slip differential, giving the cabriolet the same headline output as the Bodo Gran Turismo Coupe. The body is entirely carbon fiber made using a pre-preg process at Brabus's Bottrop facility, helping hold dry weight to 3,911 pounds despite the size and the hardware. Measuring 199.3 inches long, 79.8 inches wide, and 51.3 inches tall, it is more Hyper GT than compact supercar, with presence to match the power and the €1,077,000, $1,174,000, base price, roughly mirroring other Brabus Bodo Hyper GT pricing in details. The Bodo Cabriolet rides on 22-inch Brabus monoblock ZGT wheels and runs an active aerodynamics package that includes an integrated front carbon spoiler and an electrically extendable rear wing. If you follow coach-built restomods like the Mercedes 600 Restomod by Brabus or high-end projects such as the Mercedes-Benz 190e Evo 2 Restomod, this car is cut from the same bespoke cloth, but its mechanical bones and cabin layout clearly trace back to the Vanquish donor. The Bodo Cabriolet is limited to 77 units worldwide, and that figure is shared between it and the existing coupe, making each open car even scarcer. Brabus describes it as a fully coach-built, open-top supercar built to individual order, and its CEO Konstantin Bushman frames it as being created in every detail as he would have driven it, underscoring how personal the project is inside the company. Performance claims match the drama of the spec sheet. The Bodo Cabriolet is said to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and to an electronically limited top speed of 223 miles per hour. Behind those numbers sit more detailed metrics, 3 seconds to 62 miles per hour and 23.9 seconds to 186 miles per hour, figures that align with earlier Bodo Roadster performance previews and other ultra-rare open-top supercar launches at Pebble Beach. If you picture a long run down an unrestricted autobahn, the Cabriolet's electronically capped 223 miles per hour top speed and Vanquish-based V12 make clear this is not a styling exercise but a genuine megaspeed machine. As an ultra-limited, 1,000 horsepower, open-top Hyper GT with a 223 miles per hour cap and Aston Martin roots, the Brabus Bodo Cabriolet lands squarely in the thin air usually reserved for the wildest exotics on sale today.